Today is the 21st of June 2022. We have Vallikaivanto one. And this is the only staircase in this building. Probably could be Valbrun's Valkaivanto, maybe. I'll check the enemy Swedish later because it's probably Kaivanto is like where they digging. So yeah, I know that. There are 5 floors here, but the basement floor is locked with a key. And it was built in 1992.
Yeah.
Wow. It's completely unexpected. But when was this finished? 92 or 93? I have to check it.
Yeah.
1992, turning 30 years old this year, 2022, but still very fresh.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. It doesn't even feel like 30. It feels like 16.
Yeah.
This deserves 3 rights.
Yeah.
So weird that I didn't go here.
Yeah.
Best is 4 person, 305 grams, number is H67487. This is extremely rare in Finland. We have only found, I think, 3 1992 ones.
Yeah.
1 in Kuopio without doors, and 2 with automatic doors in Joensuu, and close to Käpylä.
Inspektiivipaakin vais, mä en tiedä vaikka on.
It's got to be late night 92. Or maybe December, not 92.
Yeah.
Can you turn the lights, please?
Yeah.
It has been switched off. Then you can press again. I cancelled, just in case, so it wouldn't leave without you.
Yeah. You can press.
Of course. No, that's it. Thank you very much. This is amazing. Still 1992.
Yeah.
Still 1992. Fourth final so far. Who knows if we'll find more?
That's